Welcome to our channel, where we provide you with helpful guides and tutorials for using X. In this video, we'll show you how to set a preferred feed language in X. Setting your preferred language ensures that you see content in the language of your choice. Let's dive into the full guide. Step 1. Open X. Launch the X application on your device. Locate the X icon and tap on it to open the app. Step 2. Tap on the account icon. Find the account icon located at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on it to access the account menu. Step 3. Tap on Accessibility Display and Language. From the account menu, locate and tap on the Accessibility Display and Language option. This will take you to the accessibility and language settings of your X account. Step 4. Tap on Languages. Within the Accessibility and Language settings, find and tap on the Languages option. This is where you can manage the language settings for your X account. Step 5. Then tap on Preferred Language. Within the language settings, locate and tap on the Preferred Language option. This is where you can set your preferred language for the X feed. Step 6. Select the language. From the available language options, select the language you prefer for your X feed. This will ensure that the content you see in your feed is in your preferred language. And there you have it. You have successfully set a preferred feed language in X. This customization option allows you to enjoy content in the language that best suits your preferences and needs. Thank you for watching this full guide on how to set a preferred feed language in X. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more X-related tutorials.